Danielle, how have you been?
Hi, Sahana. I've been well. Just trying to keep up with the exercises to the best of my ability.
Great. How's your neck feeling now?
It's definitely better, but not 100% yet. I think my shoulders are moving better, but I seem to have a little bit more pain in my neck after I do those chin tucks.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you please show me how you're doing those chin tucks? Oh, I see where the problem is, Danielle. Looks like when you tuck your chin in, you're bending your head way backwards, which might be causing the increased discomfort. Let's try this again, making sure that when you tuck your chin in, that your head stays in a neutral position.
Okay, that makes sense. I knew I was doing something wrong.
Perfect. How does that feel?
A lot better. That makes more sense now. Thanks for reviewing it with me.
No problem. It is a tricky exercise, and I'm glad you have the increased confidence now in doing them on your own.
Definitely. Oh, and one more thing. The other exercise that you gave me with my arms coming out, it seems a little bit easy now. Is there some way we can progress that?
Oh yes, great that they've become easy now. Do you happen to have an elastic band with you? So let's work on the same exercise with the band now. So keep the band between your arms this way and pull out. Feel for a good muscle engagement and then release in a controlled manner. Danielle, that looks great, but don't feel like you have to bring your arms as far out as you can, but you just need to feel the right muscles engaging.
Okay.
How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels a lot harder. I've got some work to do.
I know these exercises were a priority for you, but now that you have that handled, let me take a look at your posture at the desk to see how those suggestions are working for you. Danielle, that looks great, but really be sure to pull that keyboard closer to you so you're not reaching forward. That just in turn helps you keep your elbows right below your shoulders.
Like this?
Perfect. Great job. Keep with these exercises and you should be on the right track.
Awesome. Thanks for reviewing with me. You're super thorough.
I'm glad it worked out for you, Danielle. Feel free to email me with any further questions that you may have.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.